Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and today is a WIP Wednesday video. You guys like these, so I do them. So what am I working on? Oh my goodness. Well, my gnome, which my collab with Nova at Nova Gnome Creations. We are doing a gnome collab for Gnome of the Month, her creation. And I can't show you guys anything, but yes, that is what I'm working on, but I can't show you that. I will show you on the 29th. I don't know, whatever the last Saturday in April is. That's when I'll show you. What I can show you is this. I can only show you the back. I can't show you the front. So this is the back. This is part of the Amigurumi Mod by Caroline at For the Love of Crochet and Cassandra at Craftably Ever After. Their collab, which I don't describe well, so I will link their channels in the description box below and they can tell you more about it. But basically, it's taking a crochet pattern and adding to it non-crochet things. So you really can't see what I've done to mine yet, but I'm getting there. The pattern I'm using is, well, I guess I can show you the front. There's really no spoilers yet. It's a cat, okay? And it looks so weird right now, but I swear it'll look cute. So this is a mini cat by my friend Crystal at Chronically Crocheting. Hi, Crystal. Yep. This is her pattern, and she has a tutorial out for it, and I will link the tutorial down below so you guys can find it and make one yourself. It's really easy, and it's no sew. Always our favorite, right? So I'm making this cute little white cat, and that's all I can tell you, because I still want it to be a surprise. So I'm making a white version of her cat, and as you can see, it's fuzzy because I've been combing it. This is a pet brush, and I am just combing it up, sideways, all around to give it that fluffy texture. So you can comb sideways, you can comb up. I'm combing kind of sideways because I want the fur to kind of go that way. So you can't really tell much right now. I just started, so, and this part looks weird, but it'll make sense later. But anyway, all of that to say is the Amigurumi Mod is making crochet patterns with non-crochet extras, like ribbon, felt, polymer clay, one of my favorites, puffy paint, embroidery, like sewing, fabric, see, this is why I told you to go see their video. I'm so bad at this. Basically anything that's not crochet. It's a different kind of craft that you can combine with your crochet to do that. I am doing this as my mod, which right now there's nothing mod about it. Mod, by the way, is modification. And there's nothing modified about this yet. And there will be, but there's nothing special about this quite yet, except that, you know, it's my friend's pattern, so that's special. I've made a couple of these, and this one honestly has so far turned out the best, so yay. See, practice. Practice makes perfect. Not that the pattern is hard. It's not. It was all me. I goofed. So, yep. Also, I am working on making a flip through of this book, which if you saw my Hobby Lobby haul, this was part of that. I didn't get it at Hobby Lobby. I got it at Michael's, but I included it on the Hobby Lobby haul because I did it in the same day, and this was the only thing I bought from Michael's. So I didn't want to make a separate video just for one item. So yes, I am going to do a flip through. Now, please bear with me. My flip throughs are nothing like Alice at Starlight and Stitches. Oh my goodness. You want a good, thorough book review, you go to her channel. She is epic. I can't do them that well, but I will try my best to show you guys the patterns in this book without showing you the patterns. I'm just showing you the pictures, like this one. So, yeah, so that's a video that I'm working on right now. So I know that WIP Wednesday is supposed to be like what you're working on crochet-wise, but I don't know. I think as a YouTuber, you know, we should also talk about maybe some of the things that we're making videos for. That's something we're working on. So I'm gonna tell you about a couple of those. So I am working on a special, don't jump out at me, I'm working on a Christmas in July product. I know it's April, I know, don't come at me in the comments, I know it's April, and I'm working on something for July that's also Christmas related. Don't, you wanted to know what I'm working on, okay? That's what I'm working on. And if I don't plan ahead, you guys, then I can't. I'm also working on stuff for Halloween, so don't. If I don't plan early, then I don't get anything done. I also am working on something for May. So there, see, it's only a month. I'm working on stuff for May. I had you guys vote for what you'd like to see more videos about, and 40% said tutorials. So, okay, I will make more tutorials for you guys. I was gonna wait for May to post some of the tutorials, but maybe I'll put some out in April. I don't know. The Q&A is happening. I have got all your questions. A lot of them are the same. So I'm gonna weed out the duplicates and we'll just answer the question one time. And then a lot of you have asked the same version of the question. So that's interesting to me, that it's like, oh, that's kind of the same question, but it's not. So that's interesting. Q&A video is happening this month, probably the end of April, but maybe not, we'll see. Not this week, definitely not this week, so don't be looking for it this week. Friday is going to be a furls haul. It is incredibly long. I'm so sorry, you guys. I tried to trim it down. By the time I realized that putting all these different hauls together was making it way too crazy long, I did so much editing that to make 2 videos would have been even more work, and I just couldn't do it anymore. So get a cup of coffee, get a snack, turn it on while you crochet. I mean, maybe it's nice background noise. But, you know, I have a lot to show, so that'll be kind of cool. I don't show just hooks in that one. I have yarn to show. I have a couple of, like, accessories to show. There's a stand in there. So yeah, it's got all kinds of crazy stuff. So that video is coming out Friday. So that's it. That's what I'm working on. That's what's going on the channel. And I hope you guys have a great day. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn and Zebra family. If you haven't already, we would be happy to have you over here. There's a little bit of chaos and a little bit of planning. We'll see. Thank you all for joining me today. Please remember to turn on the notification bell so you know every single time I post a new video, because I don't stick to a schedule. Okay, fine, I told you there's a video coming out this week, but that is not normal. So, turn on your notification bell, otherwise you won't know when I post a new video. And you probably don't want to miss some of these coming up. Just saying. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.